Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera to my lecturer and fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Naim bin Muhammad Fazli, and today I will presenting my enlargement final project. Okay, so for my site, I choose Bahulu Gulung as my site because there is a significant issue there, which is deterioration of open space. For the introduction, Bahulu Gulung is a village area in Teluk Gong near Port Kelang. And for the site issue, there are three main issues, which is coastal pollution due to illegal dumping, factory waste, and poor aquatic plant to purify the water. The second one is mangrove destruction, causing loss of biodiversity. And the last one is poor sense of identity and place attachment. And for the solution to this issue is purification, rehabilitation, and measure an area of interest. Next, my concept of development is Re-Vitalize ecoregion. My aim is to improve the area so that it becomes a catalyst for tourism in Teluk Gong. My objective is to create an educational mangrove park with design in mind to protect the biodiversity of the area and for future generations. The second is to enhance the Bahulu Gulung identity by improving the surrounding open space and to promote social activity and make good interaction between man and nature. Okay, so this is my design diagram in preparing for my enlargement plan. First is my bubble diagram. The second one shows my spatial diagram. The spatial diagram shows the active area on the mangrove park, Kampung Nelayan, floating restaurant, and fish market. And for the mangrove area, it is passive as there are no activity happening. Next is functional diagram. It shows that the diagram that I will use for my enlargement plan. For the design, there are green parking on the existing open space near the mangrove area on the southwest of the site. The open space on the north area also has been designed into a mangrove park, food court, and community center. Okay, so for my enlargement plan, there are 13 interests. And the main node in the area is the food court and the fish market. It is to give some interest to the area. There are also mangrove rehabilitation and mangrove conservation to preserve the natural identity of the area and to improve the ecological factor of the area. Lastly, there are also community center and kayak to give enjoyment to the tourism and local. For design strategy and guideline, the first is mangrove conservation. It is to protect the wildlife and coastal protection. The second is to preserve and rehabilitate mangrove area by replanting mangrove plant on existing open area. Lastly is fish market to improve the economy of the fishermen and the local. Next, for ecosystem service, I use three. The first one is cultural service, regulating service, and supporting service. Cultural service is enjoyment of people on the area as people engagement on the activity on the site will provide health benefit. The second service is to control the pollution in Bahulu Gulung and its surrounding area as a carbon sink area. Lastly, the supporting service is to provide shelter and benefit to human and natural alike. For my planting strategies, the existing mangrove tree is Avicennia alba and Avicennia marina. This mangrove species is also for ecological restoration and mangrove preservation. For aquatic plant, to improve water quality is Pristia stratiostes and the Lumba nucifera. The material used for the boardwalk on the site is composite wood as it is more durable and more sustainable on the wetland. For my section elevation, there is a boardwalk area connecting to the playground area. The area is notable for activities such as jogging and cycling. The tree in the area is Magnolia alba as to provide natural shade for parents to oversee the children on the playground. The food court is accessibly direct from the main gate as it is a major node for the area and it is to make access to food and drink easier for people. And this is my supporting drawing for the section. And in conclusion, the design was created to solve the issue at Bahulu Gulung at Teluk Gong, Kelang. The goal and objective can be reached by analyzing the area issue and problem. Thank you.